Hey guys, so I got this bag from Dooney and Bourke and I wanted to review it for Amazon. So yeah, this is a beautiful bag, gingham print, perfect for spring and summer. It's just a cute little girly bag. Like, I have always wanted one of these bucket bags, and I love that she comes with feet on the bottom. She has two openings on the front and the back, and she is very structured. So if you like structured bags, you will love this bag. But if you are more of a slouchy type bag, it won't be too bad because you can still fit quite a bit of things in this bag. So let me take out the cushions. I've worn her once last year, and yeah, the name of this bag is called the Breanna, and that's her stock number. I got it from the Dooney site. I think this was my Mother's Day gift last year, and I love it. Love it. It comes with a longer crossbody strap, but I won't be using that. And she fits a lot. So let me go ahead and do the dimensions for you so you'll see if she fits your lifestyle. Alright, so the width of this bag, I'm kind of doing it backwards because I can't see, is about 12 inches in width. And forgive my setup, I'm gonna work on that. I'm in a construction zone right now, getting my bags organized. I think she's about 9 inches in height, maybe 9.5. I can't really hold her that well. And then the depth of the bag is, let's see, about 6.5, maybe 6 inches in depth. And actually you can expand her because of the back of it, so she can get bigger up to 7 inches depending on how much you put in her. Very good bag. She comes with a key fob. She has vachetta leather straps, which is one of the reasons I purchased her, because I love vachetta leather. Yeah, she has a zipper pocket on the inside. This is her tag. I never did register this bag, so I need to register her. But yeah, if you want to see a what's in my bag with this, definitely let me know. I'll leave all of the information below. I do get a small commission if you decide to purchase, so thank you for supporting my small business. But yeah, I love this bag. Very, very handy. I have accessories also linked on my storefront that match this bag perfectly. I wish I had it in this room, but I don't. I'm still getting the room together, like I said. But there's some accessories that I got from Amazon that match her perfectly. But this bag came from the boutique, but you can purchase it here on Amazon with my store code. All right, you all have a blessed day, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Hey, y'all, I had to come back. I think the other video is still uploading, so you'll see that in a second. But I wanted to come back to make a few adjustments. So this beautiful bag right here, this Dooney and Bourke Breanna, is no longer for sale as a pink gingham bag. So they still have it, but it's just in the Tiffany blue, which is also a really pretty color. I would recommend that you get that. It's perfect and fresh for spring. And I'll keep a lookout and let you know if they come back out with the pink gingham in this Breanna shape bag silhouette. They did have this bag with the pink gingham. Like, let's just say you're only a pink girly, you don't want any other colors but pink. I've linked the TikTok version of the bag from Dooney and Bourke, but it's not the Breanna. It's a different silhouette of a bag, but it's still top handle and it's still really cute. So check that out. Definitely let me know what you order. Again, I love that she stands on her own with her feet on the bottom. She's plain on the back, which I also love. And she's just like, to me, this is a perfect going to a wedding, going to a picnic, going to anything, just a work bag, whatever. Like this is just a cute girly bag, very feminine, very dainty, all the things. So yeah, and I also linked. I'm going to link the accessories that I bought with this bag. They're not Dooney and Bourke, but they're like a cheaper version of like Dooney and Bourke, like inspired or duped um, accessories. The wallet is like this cute little wallet. It's all upstairs, y'all. Like I told y'all, I'm a work in progress. We get in the house together. But the wallet, I have that link below. The one that I bought, as well as the like the pencil case and the cosmetic case that I bought to go with this. And um, I think I linked a few more of like the accessories, like the strawberries and the little charms and stuff like that. So if you want that, definitely hit the link below. Let me know what you got, and I'll talk to y'all later. All right, bye.